Do you wanna make your own phone into the mouse for your laptop? Hey, my name is Edrijan Haryanto from 11C3 and I will show you how to make your phone into the mouse for your laptop. First of all, we need to prepare the stuff first. The first stuff we need is, of course, the laptop. And the second stuff is the phone. You can use your old phone or your recent phone. First is for the laptop. For the laptop, you need to open the Chrome or any browser you have. Then, search on the search bar Monic and press enter for the result. Then, press the web on the very top of the result. On this page, click download and click download link 1. If download link 1 doesn't work, you can click download link 2. If the files are ready to download, click on the file to process the installing this program. The second is for the phone. For the phone, you need to download the same application on your phone. First, open the Play Store and search PC Remote. Pick the same icon like the laptop and click download. To make your phone connect to your laptop, you need to open the same program on your phone and your laptop. The UI is gonna be like this. There's a few methods to connect the phone to your laptop. The first method is using Wi-Fi. You need to connect the same Wi-Fi like the laptop and press your laptop device, and then you can control your laptop with your phone. And the second method is using Bluetooth. You need to connect the same Bluetooth on your device. The last third is using USB cable. You need to connect your phone with your charger for your phone and connect it. And it's already connected. You need to turn on the USB tethering